everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am doing today a review of the Quesalupa. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know that I have done a review before a long time ago. No cheese. See how it tastes. Guys, this is worth it. This is so delicious. This is so true. You had me at cheese stuffed shell. But I wanted to taste it again, see how it tastes. I forgot completely what it tastes like. And also, I'm going to be tasting the Mountain Dew Baja Blast because I've never had it and people say that it's really good. So yeah, let's get started. I placed my order through the Taco Bell app, which is very convenient because we just put all the stuff in there. And then I selected to pick up at the, inside the store. But the one that I went to, they didn't have that option, so we have to go in the drive-thru, and it was kind of busy. But nonetheless, we are here. I also grabbed the spicy potato taco, soft taco. I also grabbed the spicy potato soft taco and the spicy potato cup. It's like a cup with potatoes. I don't know, but they didn't have those anymore because when COVID started, and I actually wrote a blog about this, when COVID started, they got rid of a lot of stuff in their menu because they wanted to kind of simplify it. But they brought it back, so I'm excited to have that again, since I haven't had it in a really long time. So let's get started. Here's my little cup of potatoes. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god. My potato taco. Chalupa. This is my Quesalupa, and they forgot your Twist. They forgot his Twist, but you know what? What are you gonna do? They seal the bag, so you can't really check what's inside. Also, in the app, they have you choose your sauces, and they totally ignored our request because they just gave us a bunch of Diablo sauce, which is fine. I'll take the Diablo sauce. It's okay. All right, let's taste this stuff. So first, I want to taste the Baja Blast. So let's take a little sip. Okay, this is actually really good. It's kind of like a Sprite, but it's really good. All right, I'm going to hand that over to Ryan so that he can taste it. But let's unravel the Quesalupa. So this is how it comes in. Ooh, okay. It comes in a little tray. And then there's 2 layers, and then the middle layer, it does have cheese in it. So let's go ahead and taste it. Actually, I'm going to put some Diablo sauce. Did they make it chicken? Yes, they made it chicken. Oh my gosh. Good stuff. It's really good. The thing is that it's not super fresh, so this is a tortilla on the outside, and then they put cheese in between the chalupa layer and the quesadilla. So yeah, I feel like they gave me a cheesy gordita crunch though. Interesting. Maybe not. Either way, the outside portion is super duper crunchy. So it gives it like a good crunch, and then you get all the flavor on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna get back to that one. Let's taste my little potatoes. So when I used to live on campus in college, there was a Taco Bell that was close by. And me and my best friend, we were vegetarian, so we would eat these things all the time. Or at least I would. I don't remember if she did. But I would. Oh my gosh. That's what memories are made of. I'm going to put some sauce on top. Taste it like that. All right, let's move on to the taco. Yeah, see, I'm looking at the Quesalupa image. Oh yeah, it does look like it. I thought it was tripping. So good. Let's move on to the last one, which is the soft taco, spicy soft taco. I don't think I'm gonna go back to this location because there's 5 little potatoes in this taco. But the potatoes that I do get, so crunchy. The best thing about these potatoes, honestly, is that the outside is super crunchy and the inside is super soft. So you get that initial crunch and then you get the like softness and like flavorful potato. So good. I can actually check back in my previous video when I did that. I think it was almost like 7 years ago. Yeah, I think it was like 7 years ago. Because I can't find that much information on it here. Okay, so I did find a little bit more information on the Quesalupa. So it looks like it was developed in 2015 and then launched to the Toledo, Ohio restaurant, and then it was deemed successful. It was then given as a blind pre-order in February 1st, 2016, and it was only available to fans. So that's kind of cool. And I do remember that I saw it first on a Super Bowl commercial. So it does say that it ran 50 ads, it ran ads during the Super Bowl 50. So I think that's where it got most of its traction from. But I know that they have been gone for a while and they just brought them back. They're really good. Honestly, I think I like the original chalupa better. It wasn't as like cheesy as I remember it being the first time. I think they changed it. I don't know. I think they changed it because it's not the same. But it does look like that on the advertisement. So, I don't know. I think it's good. It's not amazing. You can go with the original chalupa and it'd be, honestly, I think a lot better. But the potatoes, chef's kisses, they are amazing. So I definitely recommend anything potato. It's also an option now when you order like a chalupa or a burrito. You can sub the meat for potatoes, which is perfect if you're a vegetarian. So yeah, tell me if you guys have tried it. Let me know if you guys want more videos of me trying new like fast food fads. Let me know. I'm gonna keep enjoying my meal and I'll see you guys later. Bye.